Yum. Yum.
If you want a piece of this sushi we're about to show you, you have to give up a little piece of yourself. Check it out. This company is getting a lot of attention at South by Southwest. The Sushi Singularity is 3D printing sushi. They plan to open a restaurant in Tokyo next year. Here's how it works when you make a reservation. They send you what they call a health test kit, and then you send back a sample of saliva, urine, or stool, and the company figures out what nutrients your body needs.
Then we add those specific nutrients to your food to 3D print out those sushis for you.
Or you could just go order sushi. They print the sushi using various proteins, vitamins, and minerals. So it's not really sushi, I suppose. The company can also send its sushi schematics to other 3D food printers around the world.
Why? Why?
I think this is official now that 3D printing has jumped the shark.
Yeah.
Let's just go order some sushi and enjoy it.
Can you imagine like just having that idea? I mean, the things people come up with is
I
fascinating.
mean, hey, do you want to go for sushi Friday night? Okay, let's collect everybody's samples so we can send it in, and then
I've got this idea.
that's enough.
No, stop.
Enjoy your breakfast.
Yeah.
Yum. 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 Success. Yum. Yum.
Oh.